Hope you guys are doing well and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can show or hide your ribbon bar in MS Word and what is the function and some functions of that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to press the Window R and then we have to write the win word and then press the OK and the win word will be open. And here you will see the recent files and here you will see some templates and here some other options are here if you want to create the new one or the open here. So we are going to click on the blank document. So let's click on the blank document. And after that, we are going to cut this one. And now as you can see, basically these are known as tapes: insert tape, draw tape, design tape, and these are the tapes. And after that, these are called ribbon. Like this is the font ribbon, this is the paragraph ribbon, this is the style ribbon. In the paragraph ribbon, you will see the options related to paragraph, like the paragraph mark or like the paragraph setting, alignments, and all the things. And in the font ribbon, you will see the options related to font ribbon, like if you want to increase the size and font style and the color and all the things. So these are basically ribbons. So what we are going to discuss about that how you can hide or show this whole ribbon bar, or we can say that this whole tape. So what we have to do, we have to click on this arrow. As you can see, this is the arrow. Basically, this is the option. And after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the option, the full screen mode. So you have to click on this, and you will see the option like this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will see the option like this. So I'm going to click on the escape, and now we have to click here. As you can see, now it's open. Now after that, if you click on this, and now you will see the option show tabs only, and you have to click on this. After clicking on the show tabs only, as you can see, you will see the interface like this, like the view review. And now if you want to see, then you have to click again and the ribbon bar will be open. So now let's click on this again. And here's the option always show ribbon. If you click on this, and the ribbon bar will be always shown as usually it shows. So in this way, you can use this option, that how you can hide ribbon bar and all things. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.